guys, today we're answering the question, where's the beef? As many of you know, we did the January challenge, and last week I gave the totals of the numbers that we saved on eating out and by streamlining our grocery hauls and using our pantry and freezer first. So, going back a few months ago, some really good friends of ours, Brian and Della, that we camp with, we travel with, that kind of stuff, we all got together and decided that we were going to go in and split a full cow. So we got on the waiting list months and months ago about this cow. We were in the middle of the January challenge, and lo and behold, I get a telephone call from the farmer. And he says, hey, your beef's ready. I'm going to take it to the butcher. Butcher calls and says it'll be at least a couple of weeks. So that brings you up to last Monday. I just wanted to come on and share how amazing that God works. God always provides when you least expect it. Back in October, whenever we were thinking about a beef, we knew that we had been through some slim looking shelves, you know, now that the pandemic was coming to an end, and we knew that we'd seen an increase in prices, but we had not seen the type of increase that we're going through now and the shelf scarcity again like it is. God put me in a place to save money for the month of January because he knew that our beef would be ready now. So a portion of that money that we saved in the January challenge went all the way back to my freezer, and that will feed my family beef for well over a year. If God is so good every day. I was just so in awe about how things work out like that sometimes, that he's putting you on a path for something to happen and you don't even know until you're right there at the end. So, not trying to preach to you this morning, but did want to share how much beef that we received. Let's get into it.
These are 1.5 pound packages of ground beef. I've got 1, 2, 3 layers of ground beef that'll be in our freezer for months and months to come. You'll see that these are a couple layers deep. We also have an entire box of ribeye steaks. These steaks are 2 steaks per package, and they were able to customize them. We have 1 steak that's thicker than the other in the same package, so kind of like his and hers. We have 2 beef briskets here. They're over 5 pounds each. This box is all T-bone steaks. There's 2 steaks per package. Same thing where we cut them, 1 my husband's preference, 1 my preference. Have 5 beef chuck roasts. These are probably a good 2.5, 3 inches thick. And we have 5 of those. We have 6 packages of beef short ribs. Then we have beef sirloin steaks, and this box is full of those. You can see in here there's multiple layers. Moving into 3 packages of beef neck bones, and then there's multiple of the beef soup bones. I have 4 large beef round steaks, and then I have 4 packages of beef liver. And here is all of the beef packed away in my freezer. It is such a good feeling
So just want to share with you exactly what 235 pounds of beef looks like, as well as how God works in every single one of our lives. Thank you so much for following along in this quick video just to show how full circle things happen the way that they're supposed to. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next one.